Come on, baby. Ah, no! I almost fell. Someone will fight against you. Hold this.
Go up there and jump. No, she's gonna come down.
No, she isn't. She is not gonna do a fall like that. Summer! No!
You gotta sit there.
We can't!
You want zip closed?
It's broken! Help me. I'm just gonna tie her around this and just bring her around. What?
Bring her in there.
No! She's like, I'm never gonna do this.
Her arms in the halfway.
Yep.
Put her way over there and start jumping. Put her on the other side.
Help!
Pick her up.
Okay.
Pick her up.
I can't do this.
Do it.
Help me, Mom.
Put the phone down. Put your phone down on the trampoline. You
No.
can't fall off.
Yay! I'm gonna get the best camera angle ever. The best! I wanna see how this looks. How does this look? I'm gonna do the best camera angle I've ever done in my YouTube history.
Put her way on the other side. Now jump. Hot. That was so funny. Woo. All right. I have to close that. That's
Bye, Summer. Hey. We're gonna do another video with her in it. So I guess I'll see how you do it in the next video.
You can't get her out of the cycle. It ain't gonna be easy though.
I know. If she gets soap in her eye, that's her fault. Bye.